Glowing Skin Face Mask. Egg Yolk Face Mask. It helps to remove dead skin cells, cleanse the pores, and bring out a natural glow. I need egg yolk. Using an egg yolk mask helps to tighten pores, reduce sebum secretion, and prevent acne. It aids in skin tightening, which keeps wrinkles miles away from you. It deeply cleanses and brightens your skin. Homemade graham flour 1 spoon. Graham flour contains zinc that fights dark spots, reduces blemishes, and early signs of aging. Mix. Soothes skin irritation. One of the key benefits of rose water is that it is rich in antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. 2 spoon rose water. Reduces under-eye puffiness and dark circles. Cleanses and brightens skin. Slows down multiple signs of aging, protects your skin. Reduces the appearance of redness. Contains anti-aging properties. Balances natural oils. Moisturizes skin. Honey deeply moisturizes and hydrates the skin. Honey, 1 spoon. Fights acne and fades blemishes, removes dark circles and puffiness. Eliminates dead skin cells. Aloe vera gel. Fights acne and fades blemishes. Removes dark circles and puffiness. Moisturizes and heals dry and flaky skin. Aloe vera is known to be a natural moisturizer. Mix well. Your skin completely moisturized and reduces all bacterial irritations. Clean the skin thoroughly before using the mixture. Apply the mixture and leave it for 20 minutes. Egg yolks are a great source of moisture. They contain cholesterol. Honey, on the other hand, helps to restore the hydration levels of your skin. A face mask made with graham flour and aloe vera help remove tan, sunburn, dark spots, and pigmentation. Graham flour for the face has a calming. Apply twice a week. Wash it off.